The Scott Brooks murder trial continued today. The state called more expert witnesses to the stand. Terry Connor and Stephen Staples face murder, kidnapping, and robbery charges in the death of Scott Brooks. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is live outside the Mecklenburg County Courthouse tonight. Jesse, looking at the transcripts from today, testimony centered around cell phone data.
That is right. Testimony really relied heavily on the digital trail prosecutors say tied both defendants to the crime scene, pulling call logs, tower maps, and other cell phone data. Now, let's jump into some video from the courtroom. The prosecution really leaned on digital forensic experts today to help build their case against Terry Connor and Stephen Staples. FBI Special Agent Matthew Wild took to the stand and talked about how cell phones connect to cell towers as you travel. That information can give you a general location area of a phone at a point in given time. He testified that the cell phones associated with Terry Connor and Stephen Staples pinged or used cell towers near Brooks' Sandwich House on the early morning hours of December 9th, 2019. That is the same day Scott Brooks was shot and killed during an attempt robbery.
Starting at 424 on the right side of the page and ending the band on the left side of the page on that text box at 424. We start at 0.48 miles and then we basically work down until about 433.56. The phone is at 0.10 miles, which is consistent with being in the area of Brooks Sandwich House. So both phones seem to travel from the area around Holt Street towards Brooks Sandwich House.
Now, the defense challenged the data, the accuracy of the data, locations of the phone, and how the numbers were confirmed to be associated with Stephen Staples and Terry Connor in the first place. Now, the special agent also testified that the phone number associated with a woman who shares a child with Terry Connor did ping in Rock Hill during the time of the crime. As you may recall, her DNA was found on a shell casing that was recovered from the crime scene. She has insisted that she was not there during that time. The trial resumes tomorrow morning. Live in Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.